Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Bicky here again, and if this is your first time coming to my channel, then do me a favor, hit that red button, and if you find this video valuable, then give a thumbs up as well. Okay, so guys, today is day 5 of this how to make six figure in less than 90 days. Okay, so today is the day 5 of this free training. So if you have not watched the first day, then go ahead, click on the profile pic of my channel, then click on playlist here. Okay, and then you can see the playlist, and then you can go through day wise video and you can create your account. Okay, so all right guys, now today we're gonna get the domain email for our get response. Okay, so like yesterday we did set up our landing page, we did set up our email sequence. Okay, we did set up the autoresponder. Okay, so today what we're gonna do is this program, this system. So guys, when you will have the email list here, what you're gonna do is you're going to send automated emails from GetResponse, right? But here's the thing. Okay, there is a problem, and the problem is if you go here, okay, and if you click on email addresses here, so you can see here I have Gmail email address, right? But it says that not recommended. So here's the thing. Okay, we should not use Gmail email to send email, okay, from the get response. We should use a proper domain email. Okay, and now I'm going to show you how to get that email. So to do that, guys, what you're going to do is simply head over to the Namecheap. Okay, and if you remember, this is the domain that we just purchased yesterday, right? So basically what you're going to do is simply go here where it says email and then click on business email. Okay, so here if you see here business email, either you can bill yearly or you can go with the free trial. Okay, so like they offer a free trial for 2 months, so you can use that one or you can just go for the bill yearly. Okay, it cost about $10 for 1 year. Okay, just $10. It's super cheap. So let me go through the free trial since I'm making this video for you, so you understand this thing. So once you click on a free trial, click on get email here. Okay, and here you will see use a domain I own with Namecheap. So since we purchased this domain on Namecheap, so we're gonna use this second option, use a domain I own with Namecheap. Okay, so guys, here what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna type the name of my domain that I have. Okay, so it will show up my domain that we just purchased on the Namecheap. Okay, so whatever domain that you have purchased, it will show up here, and then click here, select. Okay, and then click on continue. So guys, here I'm gonna click on add to cart. So basically I'm purchasing this business email from Namecheap. Okay, so it says that the item was successfully added to the cart. Let me click confirm order here, then click on terms and agreement, then click on pay now here, and your order will be confirmed and you will be able to get this business email right away. Okay, so guys, here we go. It says your order is completed. Okay, so we have purchased the business email. Okay, so now is the time to connect this business email with the get response. Okay, so to do that, simply go to the dashboard again, and here you can see my 25 bucks business.com. Okay, so what you're going to do is click on manage here and then click on products, and here you will see starter email. Okay, so what you're going to do is click on this arrow sign here and click on manage, and you can see here it says you haven't created any mailbox yet, create mailbox now. So what we will do is we will click on here. Okay, create mailbox now, and okay, so this is the place where you can say support. Okay, you can say support, and here I'm gonna put the password. So simply click on save changes. So there we go, guys, our business email is ready to use. Okay, like if I scroll down here, this is the business email. Okay, support at the rate my25bucksbusiness.com. So what we will do is we will copy this email from here. Okay, so for those of you who are wondering how I got this, once you created your email, scroll down and there you will see the email. Okay, and there you just gotta copy this, just copy this email. Okay, and then go back to the get response, click on add email. Here put your name. Okay, and here put the email address. Okay, click on add address. So now it says please verify your email address. Okay, so basically guys, now we need to verify this email. Okay, so to do that, simply click here and click on open web mail. So to do that guys, what we're gonna do is we're gonna click on this arrow. Okay, and then we're gonna click on open webmail. So here what you're gonna do is you're gonna log in your email address. Okay, this is support@my25bucksbusiness.com, and here I'm gonna put the password. So guys, this is the dashboard of the email, the business email that we just purchased. Okay, and as you can see here, here is the confirmation email. Okay, like the get response, it has sent the confirmation email, right? So this is the confirmation email. So I'm just gonna click on confirm, and what will happen is my email will get confirmed inside the get response. So there we go guys, now it says my email has been confirmed, as you can see here. So what you're gonna do is click on this arrow icon here. Okay, and then click on this three dot and click set as default. Okay, so what will happen is this email address will be available as a default to send emails to your contacts inside the email list. Okay, so like now if I go to the contacts here, okay, and this is the list, right, my 25 buck business. So if I click on here and if I click on settings, and then if I click on confirmation message here, okay, here you can see from address, right? So I'm just gonna change it to my support@25bucksbusiness.com. I'm gonna change reply to address as well. So keep both to this same one. Okay, and then click save confirmation message. So now guys, you have connected a proper business email with the get response. Okay, and we use business email because we should not use Gmail to send mass emails. Okay, so that's why we should use a proper business email, and that's what we just did. We connected the Namecheap domain email with the get response, and now you are ready, you are done with the get response part. And in the next video guys, I'll show you how to start sending traffic, okay, from TikTok, from YouTube, from Facebook, from Instagram, and how to use paid solo ad, how to use paid YouTube ads. Okay, I'm going to teach you everything step by step so that you can send traffic to the system. Okay, you can make sales like everyone else. Okay, so if you haven't created your account yet, simply go ahead, click the link from description. Okay, and you will be able to create your account, and simply you can click on playlist here and you will be able to watch the whole playlist. Okay, so this is it in this video. I'll talk to you again in the next video, in the next training of this series.